In a dense, verdant forest, where trees towered high and the sunbeams barely reached the ground, there lived a small, humble rhinoceros beetle named Reggie. Reggie was different from the other insects. He was strong, stronger than any creature in the forest, but he was also small and often overlooked. One day, a great storm swept through the forest, uprooting trees, flooding streams, and causing chaos. Reggie, despite his strength, struggled to move due to the force of the wind. He watched as many of his friends were carried away by the floodwaters. Feeling helpless and alone, Reggie decided he had to do something. He mustered all his strength and began pushing against the furious wind. With each push, the wind howled louder, but Reggie did not give up. He knew his strength could make a difference. Days passed, and the storm showed no signs of letting up. Reggie, exhausted but determined, continued to push against the wind. On the fourth day, something miraculous happened. Reggie's steady effort moved a massive tree, blocking the floodwaters and creating a barrier. The other creatures in the forest, who had been sheltering in the safety of the tree, looked on in amazement as the floodwaters receded. They realized that Reggie, who they had always overlooked due to his size, was the one who had saved them all. From that day forward, Reggie was no longer just a small, humble rhinoceros beetle. He was the hero of the forest, a reminder that strength comes in many forms and that sometimes, the smallest among us can make the biggest difference. Moral asterisk: never underestimate the power within you, for even the smallest can achieve greatness when faced with adversity.